Hello, artists. Good afternoon. I think it's maybe 1 o'clock. I have a day off today. It'll be working 6 days this week. My schedule is busy. I should be doing a video, but I really wanted to kind of get going on this guy. I think today is February 4th, so you probably won't see this video for a while because I've got these videos to show you guys. But I want to get working on this center page because this is going to be a showstopper, right? This is the last page in this amazing book about my life. Secret Garden, Simple Exposure. So what I'm thinking is, if I want to hide all of the work I'm going to do, I need to have 2 on one side and 2 on the other, and then cut through both sides. But that might be really hard to cut through all of that, but then it would make a super strong, sturdy page. However, I don't have enough pages to do that. So what I could do is make a pocket page here or a pocket page here. And this will be a new process for me. So I don't know how that's going to work out. I don't know if I need it to be stronger. These are about 7 pages thick. This is 7 pages. This is 7 pages. This is 7 pages. Somehow I came out with an odd number. It must have been, who knows where. Probably here. This page feels a little flimsy, so I could easily just glue down these edges and make a nice slider pocket, which I might just do that. I guess the thing to test would be to start our cutout. I'm going to do a tree of life with wire wrapping, with stones and beads. It's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to have to put, I'm going to do it in a circle form. So we're going to kind of go off of the Ouroboros form, the circle form, and then put our tree in the center of that. I don't think I'm going to have enough room to put the snake in there. Unless I make my tree smaller. Part of me, of course, wants to expand the tree higher and lower and make it, you know, full circle. It's not going to, I just don't, since this book has to be set on both sides, I don't have the room for that. So I'm going to have to keep it smaller. I also have some craft wire. This is a 20 gauge. I have 15 yards of it, so hopefully it will be enough. Oh, you can't see it. Those dang lights, they do that all the time. I'll cut a center circle out. I'll put the eyelets in there. If I need to cover them later, I guess I could do that too. I'm trying to hide the wiring. You know how I like to do that, but I think I can hide it within the wire wrapping itself. This is going to be crazy. This is going to be a lot of work. This is going to be amazing.